Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how the text box that are in the slide. If you're text box by using this method on your Google Slide mobile application, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the text box on Google Slide mobile? I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open a slide. So edit the slide. I just need a more text box here actually. Okay, so you just need to click on the plus symbol on the top. This is actually a insert option. Here you will see a text option, which actually a text box. You can resize the text box how you want, and like this. And if you just insert the content, automatically expand like this, and now it's look like this. But if you have a content inside it like a text, you can see it's actually expanding. So you just need to insert the content and you can just expand it, and you can also edit it, and you can just move it like this, and you can also add more text box. Just click on the symbol and you can just add more text box like this according to where you will use. So there is a 3 text box now here. You just need to click on the symbol and add text boxes. That's it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.